Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace this blinker light on the rear of your 2019 Kia Forte. This one's a little bit tougher to get to. It's up, you got to reach up under here. So there's a cover we need to remove on the bottom, and then there's a way to reach in there to be able to get the blinker light. So blinker lights here, reverse light bulbs here, but we're going to do the blinker light first. And so a way that is found to be fairly easy to do that, like I said, we've got to remove some covers on the bottom and basically kind of pull the bumper away a little bit on the outside, and then we can reach our arm in from the fender well to get this light and replace it. So to start with, and I also have the car jacked up and supported with jack stands to be able to slide under here to be able to get the access that is needed. Okay, so we have one screw right here, which is just a Phillips, and then we have push pins that would go here, 1, 2, 3 down here, and there's one more on the bottom. I'll show you that when I get there. But you remove these push pins and this screw here, which is just a Phillips. Okay, so we've got that removed. So down here under the car, we have two number 10 bolts to be removed. Old nuts. So two number 10 nuts to be removed. And with those removed, then you've got an array of a push pin that's over here. There's a push pin here. Push pin here, and this push pin right there. And then we have a, right up here is one more clip that holds on there, and this is mounted there. It's a size 11 gets it off. It's a plastic nut, and you loosen that. And with that removed, then you can take this plastic cover down. If we look right up in here, this is the reverse bulb on the bottom, and then the blinker bulb up here. Depending on how small your hands are, you can potentially get in there and do it all from here and not have to worry about reaching your hand down the side there. So you turn it of it counterclockwise. Pull the bulb down. And this has just one element in it. So we pull the bulb down. Just push it and twist it to counterclockwise to remove. And there's the bulb to be removed and get a new one. And this is it's 1156 natural amber, or it was a PY21 natural amber is what you want for the blinker bulb. So this doesn't matter which direction it goes back into the housing unit. Just press it up, push it in, and twist it. Now this is where it gets a little tough to be able to get it in there. So to get it all lined in the hole, and then turn it clockwise, and that's how you can replace the blinker light bulb on the rear of your Kia Forte. And then you would go ahead and put the little panel back up here, put the push pins back in together, and tighten that one screw and the fender well if you did need to remove that. And that's how you replace your tail light or blinker bulb on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you could be the mechanic.